tape. Oh shit. Contamination.
But look, for that little spot.
Extra. You ain't do no before picture?
I got a whole video.
Oh.
So eyebrow, you know, just gotta make sure. Something natural.
Let me show you my inspirations. I be saving them.
Okay.
Oh, hers look nice too. I'm about to save that one.
I'm gonna do a cut crease. That's a cut crease right there. You see that?
Too bad I ain't got, I do got some lashes, but I don't know how to put them on.
Me either. I ain't even gonna try to. That'll mess up the whole thing. You asked me to put lashes on. You know how many times I don't post videos because I be like, dang, I tried to put on lashes and it messed up the whole thing. You got. I need your foundation.
So go in my bathroom and look in the middle drawer. Good luck.
Are we trying to visualize dick cut right here? This is, I think this.
But you don't even know if you can see it on the other side.
I'm looking at it right here. What you mean?
That whole conversation away. Play some music over there.
I'll go let that play. Whoa! Shout out a little too much. That's what Titus did when he was like,
come on. Feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. A little aggressive there.
I had turned around to be honest.
Yeah, I noticed. Trying to multitask.
Still was tapping as I was turning. Pause, please. Okay.
They had something in the mall was like, oh, free makeovers, and it says no, what it said, no catch or something like that, no purchase necessary, something like that. I asked the lady, what's the catch? She's like, oh, you just have to buy 3 items. I'm like, but the sign, Tyler even said it, like, Mom, the sign says no catch. I'm like, yeah, even though it says no catch, it's a catch. Who would know all this shit?
Yeah, there's not technically no right or wrong way to do this.
That's not true. That's not what my research tells me. You gotta do stuff in certain layers.
Okay.
This before that, and that after this, and all that bullshit. Oh shit. Oh, the stress of looking up. I can't take it. Oh shit.
Okay.
By the time to do all this, I'd rather just have fucked up skin.
You don't want that no more. I can't say that word, guys. At least not right now. I'll voice it over. My favorite highlight for every day, every night, always right. Julia Place, a little bit of this goes a long way. And this is only $12. Watch this.
A little too excited.
Oh.
Mm? What's the pigs game?
Angry Birds.
There you go. Haven't played that in a long time.
Yes, see that one. Some people can't do that. And then they start adding more layers on like I used to do when I was younger in 9th grade, and I used to have thick, super thick eyeliner.
So I just close my eyes and rub it through, and it works so well.
Heard that? Close your eyes, rub it through, guys. It works so well.
It do. What about my lips? You gotta look at my purse and get my brown lip gloss, because that's what I like. Look, it's right here.
Look, I'm talking about the spray.
I'm talking about my lip gloss. Oh, that's all you needed. Did nothing to it. I just washed it last night and tied it up. Oh, I did put a little heady headband on there to hold him back. Oh my gosh. Oh, you did good. Oh, my hair's so laid. Too much. I just couldn't live my life like this. It was just too much makeup. Even with all natural, that's just so much. You did a good job.
I remember I used to be scared.
I'm still scared. Shit.
No, I gotta make it boom.
Now I just gotta remember not to touch my face. Try and do it. Are you recording me taking pictures?
Maybe.
That's what I was wondering. That's why I walked in. I'm like, yeah, the camera there, so like, it has to be something.
Seven? Your eyes are actually brown.
Right. I was noticing. I was like, her eyes aren't dark brown, they're light brown.